So part C, we're asked to draw the velocity time graph. Okay, sketch it so you can see with my axes here, the units have been labelled as well. Okay, and to start this off then, of course, it passes through point A with speed 10 meters per second. So suppose we say put 10 here, okay, and then of course remember it accelerates, okay, until it gets to a speed of 24 meters per second. So say 24 is going to be about there, roughly, right? And it does all this, it increases from 10 to 24 in a time of 21 seconds, if you remember from the question, right, as it says in the question. So 21 maybe we'll mark, say, about here, okay? And what I'm going to do is just show where we are. So we're starting there, and time is 0, 10 meters per second, and then let's just show them where we're at after 21 seconds. So if we draw a line up, broken line up, broken line going across at 24, and they meet there, look, we'll join that up to show where it is at 21 seconds, the velocity that is. Okay, so there's the velocity, 24, okay, and then it says, of course, it travels at the speed of 24 meters per second for t seconds. Okay, so we need to keep then, we need to have a horizontal line to show t seconds. So I don't know how long t is for, but that doesn't matter. You just show we've got a constant speed of 24 for t seconds. Now, in terms of what I put down on my axes, of course, we've had a further t seconds added on to that 21. So we need to do 21 add t, okay? And then decelerating at a uniform rate, coming to rest at a point B, okay? And it decelerates, of course, it takes 16 seconds, if you remember from the question, 16 seconds to come to rest. So if that's 21, 16, say a little bit less than that, so 16 say is about there, okay? Well, I say 16, we need to add 16 on, don't we, to that, so that we'll have 37 plus t. Not thinking here. We think about it, that gap then needs to be 16, so we add 16 onto that, and we get 37 then plus t. Okay, decelerating to rest. Now if you want, you can actually, can put some information in there to help you, possibly with the next part of the question, to show, look, that distance there is t, isn't it? Okay, we know that's t seconds, so we added the t onto the 21, and also then this gap here is 16, okay, 16 seconds, so we added 16 seconds on to 21 to get 37. Okay, so part D then, right, part D uses part C, okay, so we're going to calculate now the distance, given that the distance between A and B is 15,000 meters, it says in part D, we've got to find the value of t, so we need to work out what t is here. But remember, total distance, okay, is quite simply the area under the graph, yeah, so we know that. Okay, so the area under the graph is what we want to work out. But the good thing is, we know total distance is 1,500 meters, or sorry, 15,000 meters. So we can say the area under the graph is equivalent to 15,000 meters. Okay, so I just need to work out the area of this here, and we need to split it up. Okay, so perhaps split it up into 3 shapes here. Call this shape A, shape B, shape C. Okay, shape A is a trapezium, so we'll work out the area of A. Okay, trapezium, half A plus B times H. Okay, so you can see the trapezium, these two sides are parallel, so that's your A there, that's 10. That's your B here, that's 24. And the height between them then is 21. Okay, so we'll work that out. And we get out 357 meters. Okay, now B is easy to work out, isn't it? Because it's just a rectangle. So area of B will be the length, which is t, times the width, which is 24. So t times 24, which of course is 24t. And C is also easy to work out because it's just a triangle. Okay, so it'll be half times the base there, which of course is 16, times then the height, which of course is the height of that triangle is 24. Okay, so we'll work that out. That comes to 192 meters. They're all meters, okay, because even though the areas, of course the areas give us the distance. Now of course we need to put these together. We need to add them up, all three of them, and that should total 15,000. So 357, okay, plus 24t plus 192, and that will equal 15,000. All right. Simplifying this, because we could put those two together, I suppose. So 357 plus 192 is 549. Take the 549 over. Okay, take away. So we get 14451, and then to get t, then you just got to, of course, divide by the 24, and we get 602.125, and of course that's seconds, but I've got the value of t, which is what we want, and we've completed the question.